Darren here with another tip from Conditioned Air Solutions. The dryer vent is often overlooked when homeowners think about HVAC maintenance, but this can be a costly mistake. Dryer lint is extremely flammable, and the vent should be cleaned thoroughly and regularly. So, how do you know if you need your dryer vents cleaned? Your drying times become longer, your clothes have a musty smell after they are dried, and lint buildup around and behind the dryer is also cause for concern. Proper maintenance can make sure this doesn't happen to you. Call Conditioned Air Solutions for more on our maintenance plans or visit conditionedairsolutions.com.